Welcome to the Gallery Teachers Masterclass. I'm Sheila Corwin. My workshop is on error correction in the English language classroom. And this is a very important topic, and most teachers aren't quite sure how to approach error correction. But in this workshop, we're going to be talking about how to deal with such issues as fluency over accuracy, and we're going to be looking at errors in our students' writing as well as errors that our students make when they're speaking in the classroom. I'll give you tips on how to engage your students in their own corrections, and also show you how you can deal with working with lower levels as well as higher levels. There's a big difference. We'll also touch on giving our students on the spot feedback as well as delayed feedback. And you'll learn a lot about using a correction key and whether or not you should correct everything or not correct everything. And I think you'll get a lot out of it, and I hope you really enjoy it.